So how do I get this no makeup look? I'm going to show you. Let's get started. I'm Jennifer Murray with Jenny Lynn Beauty. Here we go. I threw out all the liquid and powders that I used to use that created that mountain of texture over my texture. Now I use Saint Makeup. It's one compact. All of my makeup's in here. I don't have to carry that big makeup bag around. Here's how it works. So we're not one color. We're 3D because we're different colors. Look at all this, okay? I have on my eye makeup, but it's very light. And then, see all this? I call them my baby reindeer spots just to be nice to myself. But that is hyperpigmentation, it's acne scars, it's texture. It's all different colors. I have reds, I have blues in my face, I have greens in my face, I have yellows. I need more than one color. This stuff's affordable. These are $16 a piece and they last me anywhere from 2 to 6 months, and then the lip and cheek colors can last me up to a year. I've saved money switching to this. I take the end of this blend brush and I'm going to tap into my, it's kind of like your concealer. Okay, so we call it our color correcting highlight. All of these are called, these two are called highlights, and then the brightening one is called your highlight as well. Tapping in, I'm just going to do half of my face so you can see the difference. I want you to see how it covers because that's key for me. I want a makeup that's going to cover all my stuff. And it's fast. Watch this. So a little goes a long ways. We're going to cover those baby reindeer spots just like this with the end of that brush with my color correcting highlight. Y'all like my bracelets? I went to see Lauren Daigle. If you haven't seen her and you're a Lauren Daigle fan, get your tickets, y'all. She was amazing. All right, squirrel. So this covers my redness, my texture, and I have a lot more texture than a lot of people do. So you may not have to use as much as I do, but I want you to see how well this works. This is a cream-based product, which means it's not going to seep into your pores. It's not going to seep into your lines and your wrinkles. It's better for your skin. Y'all, switch over to the creams if you're not using cream. Even if you decide not to use Saint Makeup, switch to a cream-based product. It's so much better for you. Your skin will thank you. All right, and I'm going to show you how this covers. Y'all see all these pits? I used to have really bad acne growing up. I was on 3 rounds of Accutane. Well, I battled. And I would have loved to have this cream makeup because I put so much powder on my face and it looked horrible. Okay, so check it out. I'm going to come in close and show you how it covers all my stuff, all my junk over here. Okay, so, but it's not matching my skin. Okay, this is not my foundation color. These colors work together to create my foundation. So next I'm going in with my main highlight. So I'm just turning my brush around to that fluffy side and I'm tapping. Never swipe. You don't want to get too much. And I'm just stippling so it's like bouncing. And watch how it evens this out. And y'all, it stays on all day. Notice I did not use a primer. I don't need one for this makeup. What I use at the end is Saint's Vanilla Dust Powder because, again, I don't like powders, but theirs is finely milled and it's made for this makeup to set it. Setting powder is different than finishing powder. If you've watched my videos, if you've watched me on Instagram, then you know. I've said this before. Finishing powder will change the look of your makeup. Setting powder keeps it in place. It does not change the look. Again, I'm barely using any product. I don't feel cakey. It's very light. Check it out. Check out this side compared to this side. Crazy, right? Okay, my next step is my favorite. If you've watched me, you know, Bella bronzer. She looks scary, right? It's dark. But watch this. This gives you that glow like you've been in the Caribbean, laying out by those beautiful waters. I want to be there. So I just go above my eyebrows, right at the tops of my cheeks, and then I'm gonna go on my neck. Because you see how white my neck is? And then I have a red chest. So to match these two, that's what I do. Now, I don't have to contour. If I want it just to be really natural, I can leave it like this, which I am, because I'm going to do just a very natural finish. The next video I'm going to do is going to be more of a bold look. Look what we have here. So again, it's very natural. Next, I am going to add a little bit of lip and cheek color. Don't skip that, guys, okay? Research shows it makes you look younger. All right, so some of my favorite colors I have on here are nude, and this is sandstone. I mix my colors too. I have a little bit of an obsession with lip and cheek colors, okay? So you can design your palette how you want to, okay? And then I have my eyeshadows on the third layer. You don't have to have this big of a palette. You can have just a little palette that has 4 colors in it. I'm gonna do nude, which is such a very natural color. And I just pop it right there and go up. It gives me a natural lift. Look how beautiful that color is. And then I use my finger, just go on my lips. I've timed it. It takes me less than 6 minutes to do my face. Now, if I want a little bit more color, I can even tap into my sandstone. Just like that. How pretty is that? Okay? All right, again, check it out. Blend that a little bit more. That's the beauty of creams. We can just keep going. Now for the brightener, I'm taking the end of this blend brush. So notice I've only used these 2 brushes. It's a beautiful thing. I'm going in the corner of my eye here, coming down. This is just going to add some brightness and give me a little bit of a lift. And then I'm going to come here and clean up this eyeshadow and roll it around the temple. And then I go right here above the eyebrow, and then I squeeze my brush and come down the center of the nose. And then I like to go right here under where it'd be where your contour line is, and come down. So I'm going to show you how this helps with your cheekbones, gives you more structure, just like that. So check that out. I'm going to show you the other side. I set with my setting powder, and it's in my palette as well. I have it with my eyeshadows because it is a powder. I use my powder brush. I can also use my beauty blender I love my powder brush. I'm going to do just like this around my T-zone. And again, this does not change the look. A little goes a long ways. And I'm done. That's it. So, here's the difference. This side and this side. Very natural look. That's it. All done. So simple, so fast. I do my makeup in under 6 minutes. I'm out the door. It's in one palette. I use 3 brushes. You don't have to use a powder if you don't want to. And I'm done. All right. If you want to be custom color matched to your colors, I can help you out. All you need to do is comment match me below, or you can text match me to 704-464-4484 and I'll get you taken care of. Okay? All right. I hope you're having a great day and hope to hear from you soon. All right. Have a great one. Take care. Bye.